So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hasta Education. So in this video I am going to discuss about the homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Firstly I will discuss how to identify a homogeneous differential equation, and secondly how to solve it. Okay. So let's see how to identify a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so let's say you are given a differential equation. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all you have to find out the value of dy by dx from that differential equation. Okay, first of all find out dy by dx is equal to something, or dx by dy is equal to something. Okay, this is the first step. You have to find out dy by dx or dx by dy is equal to something. Okay, now you have to put y is equal to vx on the RHS part. Okay, whatever is in this side or in the right hand side, okay, you have to put y is equal to vx on that right hand side part. Okay, next you have to simplify the RHS part. Okay, now after simplification, if RHS contains only v terms but not x terms, then that differential equation will be known as homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so first of all you have to find out dy by dx or dx by dy. Okay, then you have to put y is equal to vx on the RHS side, and then you have to simplify RHS. Okay, now after simplification, if RHS contains only v terms but no x terms, okay, then the differential equation will be known as homogeneous differential equation. Okay, then how to solve a homogeneous differential equation? Here it is the steps to solve homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so first of all be sure that it is a homogeneous differential equation by following the preceding method. Okay, then you have to put y is equal to vx on RHS side and replace dy by dx by v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, now you will get a differential equation in terms of v and x. After the replacement of y by vx and dy by dx by v plus x dv by dx, you will get a differential equation in terms of v and x. Now you have to apply the variable separable method. Okay, by applying this variable separable method, convert the differential equation in the form of v terms multiplied by dv equals to x terms into dx. Okay, you have to convert the differential equation into this form. Okay, that means v terms multiplied by dv equals to x terms multiplied by dx. Okay, now solve the differential equation in v and x. Then again you have to replace back v equal to y by x. So now you will get the solution in terms of y and x. Okay, so let's see an example. Okay, so let's say I have a differential equation which is given by xy multiplied by dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square. Okay, let's say I have this differential equation and I want to test whether this differential equation is homogeneous or not. Okay, so step number 1, I have to find out dy by dx. Okay, step number 1 says that you have to first find out dy by dx. So from this equation, what will be dy by dx? Dy by dx will be equal to x square plus y square upon xy. Okay, and this will be your dy by dx. In step number 2, what you have to do? You have to put y is equal to vx on RHS part. So this is the RHS part. Okay, so I have to put y is equal to vx on this part. Okay, so it will be, so now RHS will be x square plus, in place of y I have to put vx, so it will be vx square and it will be x into vx. Okay, so after simplification it will be x square plus v square x square upon x square into v. Okay, taking common from x square it will be x square into 1 plus v square by x square v. After cancelling x square term I will be 1 plus v square by v. So here it is the only v terms are left. Okay, only v terms are there. It does not contain any x terms. Okay, so this differential equation will be your homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so how to solve it? So I have to replace y by vx and dy by dx by v plus x dv by dx. Okay, so after replacing it will be v into x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon v. Okay, imply that x into dv by dx will be 1 plus v square by v minus v, that will be 1 upon v. Okay, so from this I can write v into dv is equal to 1 upon x dx. Okay, this is by variable separable. Now I have to integrate both sides. Okay, so it will be v dv integration is equal to 1 upon x dx integration. Okay, so from this I will get v square by 2 is equal to ln mod x plus c. Okay, now I have to replace again this v by y by x, so it will be y square by 2x square is equal to ln mod x plus c. Okay, so this was the method to solve a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.